So don't waste your time trying to work out how it goes on. Simply get onto the YouTube and have a quick look, and take about a minute or so, have a quick look to see how it's done. It will save you a lot of time. As you can see, you take the outer insulation off, pull back the braid, cut the leftovers off, and just twist it around. And when you've done that, you can take the foil off, just cut it off. I'm just using a cheap knife. You use really any knife that provides reasonably sharp. And then you take the foil off, and also the insulation in insulation. And by doing that, you can then screw these are F plugs specifically for this particular cable, and then just trim it up, put the other one on, and away you go. Thank you for watching. Now you can do it. Please help my channel by subscribing. Thank you very much.